Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial for how to use Wrike. So first off guys, we have to click on start a free trial, and now we're going to add our Gmail. So here's my Gmail and I'll click on start a free trial. So now we're going to wait here for a second or two. We're being redirected to the main site, so here it is. Now we're gonna add our phone name. Our full name is NetTech. Our company's name is NetTech. So we reside in Bulgaria. So here it is. Here it is. We gotta agree to the terms of service. After that, how many people work at our company? I'll say that's 251 to 5,000. Yeah. What's our team or department? Let's see, e-commerce. Okay, there isn't. Let's say marketing, I guess. And what's my job role? I'll say that I'm a boss. What's our team working on? I'd say making videos. Okay, so after that, what needs to be done? So edit the videos. After that, upload the videos and make them viral. As guys, you can see that whatever I type here, it also goes in here, and it is really so cool. And we can see that we can make these things in a table chart, Gantt chart, or a board. So I would like a Gantt chart. How would we like see work? Yeah. Oh, and so now we can add people to our team. But right now I don't have people to add to our team, so it's just going to be me. So now we're going to wait for a second to go to the page, and let me showcase the main page to you. So now we're going to go through our free trial. Now here it is, the Gantt chart for making videos, as I have said it. And now we're going to wait for a second for it to load. Let's wait for a second. But while we are waiting, we can see that there is a search box, there's an inbox, more box, and space marketing team, space overview, tools and projects and folders. Right here is our project, making videos. And we can see guys, here's our Gantt chart. Like here is the edit the videos in review. Still, we can convert to milestone, delete task, and everything. We can see sub item. We can see the sub item, do another sub item, upload the videos and make them viral. The sub item is from the edit the videos. After that, we can see the sub items for upload the videos. Here we can say something like, I have done my work for today, and we can post it. And after that, someone can reply from the team. And it is really easy guys to operate with this. We can also add other items like New Year party. Like if you want to surprise your team after a long working session, yeah, you can add this and everything is alright. So guys, we're going to see the paid plans right now. let's see the plans, you guys. So Wrike has a freemium model, which is right now we're working with the free trial right now, Pinnacle for complex word needs. And let's see, the team trial is $9.08 per month, so it gives us these perks which really eases our work sessions. And we also have a business. Guys, I forgot to tell you, you can see that the team is just from 3 to 25 users. The business is from 5 to 200 users, and the enterprise is for large teams. So again, we have to contact them to ask them for the particular price. It depends on the team, size. If it is really big, it will be obviously a bigger price, but it's really a good price in my opinion, because no other sites are this giving, and it can really help you working in a group and easing your work. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please like and subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you guys around. Peace.